In this video, we are going to look at embedding things from other platforms into Schoology. Our examples will be Nearpod, Google Forms, and a Padlet wall. I'm here in my Friday folder, and I'm going to click Add Materials. You can bring this over, or you can embed things in one of two ways. You can bring it in as an assignment or add a page. If you want to generate a grade for this assignment, I would recommend Add Assignment. If you're not going to need a grading column in the Schoology gradebook, you can use Add a Page, but we'll look at doing it both ways. I'm going to click Add Assignment. When the assignment box pops up, I can go ahead and title my assignment. So here is my Nearpod. I can go to description and type in my directions. You're going to notice up here in the description, there is a toolbar. This is actually where we're going to go to embed items. Go to the very end of the screen and click Switch to HTML. Click Enter. Now you're going to navigate to the Nearpod. I have launched a live lesson self-paced. It has generated my join code here, but I actually need the embed item. I have found that medium seems to fit well in Schoology. I'm going to copy the embed code. I'm going to navigate back to Schoology and paste the embed code. I always like to switch back to the visual to make sure that the yellow box generates. Ooh, and it didn't there. And that lets me know that it didn't come over correctly. So I'll fix that. I'm going to paste this code again and switch back to the visual one more time. When that yellow box generates, it lets me know that it is embedding everything like it needs to. I can associate a due date with this assignment if I need to. And again, if you are using the assignment feature to bring in the embedded item, you probably are generating a grade. I'm going to say formative and click create. Once the assignment creates, I will be able to click on the assignment inside of Schoology and get a preview screen. I'm going to click on the assignment. I will see my directions up here at the top. And then here is my embedded Schoology assignment. My kids would click login with Google, and they would be able to proceed through the Nearpod right here in Schoology. So let's look at another way we can bring something in. I'm going to click on my Friday folder. And this time I'm going to click Add Materials and Add a Page. Again, if you don't need the grading column, you can bring this in as a page. This time we're going to bring in a Google form. I'm going to title my page. If I need to include directions here, I can. You're going to notice I have the same toolbar up here at the top of the screen. I'll navigate all the way to the right, and once again, click Switch to HTML. This time, I'm going to navigate to my Google form. To get the embed code, I will click Send. Instead of clicking the staple link, I'm actually going to click the greater than less than sign to get the embed code. I'm going to click Copy. Navigate back to Schoology and paste the code. Switch back to visual, make sure you get that yellow box. Scroll down and click Create. Now let's preview that Google form. I'm going to click on that page where I have it embedded. And it is going to open up my form right here. You're going to notice I'm collecting student email addresses here, and it did automatically capture that. It's very important that students are logging in to Google through the portal each day and leaving a Google tab open, like I have my Google Drive tab here open, as they are working on assignments. The students can answer the questions right here inside of Schoology, and they can submit the form. All of your student responses and scores, if you have this set up as a quiz, will still be viewable inside the Google form. The last example we are going to do is embedding a Padlet wall. I'm navigating back to my Friday folder. This is a collaboration piece. Again, if I wanted to generate a grading column, I would post this as an assignment. But if I just need the students to participate in the activity, or maybe I'm going to do my grading somewhere else, I could add it as a page. Once I have my assignment named, I'm going to navigate over here to the switch to HTML. I'll head to my Padlet wall. You will need to click on Share inside your Padlet wall. Scroll down, and you're looking for the embed code. Any external tool that has an embed code, like this one, can be imported into Schoology. I'm going to copy the embed code and navigate back to Schoology. I'm going to paste my embed code and click the switch to visual to make sure I get the yellow square as a preview. I would complete all of my other steps here and click the create button. Now let's preview that Padlet wall. Here is my Padlet wall inside of Schoology. And students can post things to the Padlet wall directly here in Schoology by clicking the plus button. Again, any platform, any tool that has an embed code available can be brought into Schoology using the HTML feature.